Hi, and welcome to pronunciation practice video number 2. Today we're going to be talking about dental sounds. These can often be very difficult for Vietnamese speakers of English, as they're quite different from any sound within Vietnamese. So today we're going to be talking about the voiceless sound and the voice sound. To make the dental sound, turn in your book to page 12. Now look at the diagram of listen to me and repeat. In order to make this sound, make loose contact between your tongue and the back of the teeth and push air through the gap. There is no voicing from the throat. And for this sound, your tongue should be slightly out of the mouth. So the sound is slightly touching the teeth, but air is still coming out. Now we want to make the voice sound. To make this sound, look at the diagram on page 12 in your book. Listen and say the sound after me. Make loose contact between the tongue and the back of the teeth and push air through this gap. This is quite different from because there is voicing. So pay attention to your throat and make a vibration. The vibration should be quite strong. Now your tongue should be slightly out of your mouth for this sound also. Now let's practice saying words with is usually spelled with a TH. So listen and say these words with me. This is in your book on page 12. Thin, thin, thanks, thanks, 30, 30, theater, theater, thumb, thumb, Thursday, Thursday, thirsty, thirsty, 3, 3, both, both, month, month, mouth, mouth, north, north, south, south, birthday, birthday. Good. Now let's practice making the sound This is also in your book on page 12. Is spelled with TH in most situations. This, that, these, those, then, they, father, mother, brother, other, together, weather, without, breathe, with, or with, sorry. Let's practice that again. This, that, these, those, then, they, father, mother, brother, other, together, weather, without, breathe, with. Okay, now look at the PDF that you printed out with your pre-work. Now, and are common problems for Vietnamese speakers. This is a word initial fricative consonant. So this means that the consonant is at the beginning of the word with a fricative sound, which is partial clothing of the air, but not total. Now, in Vietnamese, the t is heavily aspirated, t. So be careful not to use this sound in thank or this, because then you will sound like thank you, and that's incorrect. So thank, not tank. Now say the following words in Vietnamese: thành phố, thảo, Thái Kinh, thị. So when you hear that sound in Vietnamese, now my pronunciation is not perfect in Vietnamese, this sound is an aspirated T. T. This is not the sound you should be making for the English TH. It should be th. Okay? So identify which sound I'm saying in the following words and either write th or th. Number 1, thaws, thaws. Number 2, that, that. Number 3, the. Number 4, theft, theft. Number 5, theater, theater. Number 6, theme, theme. Number 7, theory, theory. Number 8, then, then. Number 9, therapy, therapy. Number 10, there, there. Number 11, they. Number 12, thesis, thesis. Number 13, thick, thick. Number 14, thin, thin. 15, think, think. 16, thought, thought. 17, three, three. 18, throat, throat. 19, thunder, thunder. 20, thus, thus. 21, thumb, thumb. Now practice following these sentences with a partner, and after you practice saying them with me, practice them with each other. Number 1, I give that movie a thumbs up. I give that movie a thumbs up. Number 2, the sky thundered for 2 hours. The sky thundered for 2 hours. Number 3, I saw someone throw up in that theater. I saw someone throw up in that theater. Number 4, my throat is throbbing. My throat is throbbing. Number 5, that singer has the throatiest voice I've ever heard. That singer has the throatiest voice I've ever heard. Number 6, I thrive when thinking about theology. I thrive when thinking about theology. 7, thus, I'm a thriftier shopper than my thoughtless sister. Thus, I'm a thriftier shopper than my thoughtless sister. 8, I was thrilled by that thought-provoking theatrical theme. I was thrilled by that thought-provoking theatrical theme. 9, then I thought of a theory to write in my thesis. Then I thought of a theory to write in my thesis. 10, I heard there was a theft at that store, though they caught the thief. I heard there was a theft at that store, though they caught the thief. These are difficult sentences, but they will improve this sound in your pronunciation. Now, next week we will also talk about stress in compound words. A compound word is two words which can stand on their own, but when put together, they form a new word. the word is pronounced as one. So listen and circle which syllable is stressed in each compound word. Airplane, airplane. Bedtime, bedtime. Eyelid, eyelid. Armchair, armchair. Birthplace, birthplace. Farmhouse, farmhouse. Backache, backache. Doorbell, doorbell. File clerk, file clerk. Bookstore, bookstore. Haircut, haircut. Gold dust, gold dust. Classroom, classroom. Hairstyle, hairstyle. Gold mine, gold mine. Your teacher will talk to you about the answers this week in class. Thank you for listening to the second video in pronunciation practice. I hope that this helps your pronunciation. Now remember, for this pre-work, you do not need to record anything. Just come to class prepared and practiced. Thanks.